Waters up, Water Alert Nation. I'm your host, Killer Meme Star. Let's get right into the news. About 25,750 liters of water is required to grow a day's food for a family of four. 3% of Earth's water is fresh water, and over 68% of that fresh water is found in ice caps and glaciers. Just over 30% is found in groundwater. Only about 0.3% of fresh water is found on the surface of water, lakes, rivers, and swamps. The purpose of extraction of water is so that we can drink and use water for cleansing, and many others. Fog harvestation is an interesting primary source of water harvestation. Mesh structures are built and placed on hilltops in places with a lot of fog. The fog is then consumed and then turned into fresh water. Secondary jobs consist of processing filtering water. Water is filtered through a filtrate which captures solids and lets the liquids through, cleansing the water. Tertiary jobs belong to grocery stores and convenience stores, basically any place that sells bottled fresh water. The problem with water harvestation is that water in icebergs and fresh water is fresh, though unobtainable. This is because icebergs are extremely large and there's extreme difficulty with towing a possibly 10 million tons for a distance like that without leaving the iceberg melting. Here's Deacon with more information on this subject.
Some groups, agencies, or organizations include NOAA, the WWF or World Wildlife Fund, the Toronto Water Division, the Ontario Ministry of the Environment, and others. These organizations are trying to preserve and protect the usage of fresh water. For example, the World Wildlife Fund is trying to see all of Canada's water in good condition by the year 2025. What we can do to conserve fresh water for ourselves is not wasting it and saving more of our water in our households.
Here's Cooper with more information and some questions. Oops, sorry, wrong Cooper.
Hello, thank you for having me on your show. How much fresh water is extractable from Canada?
Canada is 1/5 of the world's fresh water.
What is the most of Earth's fresh water?
People use water for mainly irrigation on the crops.
How are people wasting fresh water?
People are wasting fresh water on mainly poor crop choices.